This is the immersive gaming light kit here to be able to stick some LED lights that connect to your computer, to your device, to be able to react to your gameplay and your movies. What's awesome here is it's plug and play, and it'll be able to match the tone of your screen and be able to react to the game or the movie that you're watching. Now this is a maximum of 34-inch screen, so be cognizant of that. We're gonna go ahead and unbox it and demonstrate this for you. Out of the box here, it comes straightforward, showing you exactly how to set it up with all of the materials necessary. What's nice is it's made out of these acrylic tubes here to be able to place and mount when you need it, and it'll be able to react to your gameplay. Furthermore, you've got your base stand here to be able to set your acrylic tubes, and then you got all of the hardware to be able to mount it as well. When mounting the acrylic screws here, you go ahead and feed it in. It comes with a 1/4-inch mount to be able to mount it here to the base. Once you're done, what's also nice is it allows you for a flat head to be able to mount where you need. Okay, we're left now with the installation process. It's very straightforward. Make sure you take off all this here. You've got your main control unit here where you can activate and control the lights. It's got all of the dongles or all of the adapters that it connects to, and uses its own proprietary unit as well. Finally here, you plug it in with the power through USB, and it plugs into your PC, and it's a plug and play. Okay, so we are here. I've got it all set up. You've got the 2 strips on the side as well as the light strip on the back here, and you can see that the setting here is actually pretty cool when you've got the setting set up for sound. So if I pause it here, it obviously stops, but what's cool here is it's actually reacting to my voice. So as it goes, it's going to be changing colors. You can have something a little bit slower if you want. What's great is it lights up the back as well as the wall itself. I really like how it sounds, and also I really like how the light is interacting with the sound. Let's go ahead and boot up a game and have it interact with the game. While I'm booting up my game here, if you want, you can just set it to kind of have the rainbows go around. It can flicker. It goes through its own programmatic light program. This one's probably my favorite. It goes through the rainbow here. I really like how that looks, glowing and lighting up my entire corner here where I work. Playing some Minecraft, you can see it interacts with it. We're in this fun biome. Alright, well that about does it. I really like how it interacts with the sound here, and it makes for some fun gameplay here to be able to level up your streaming, or if you just want a game, you can have it in the corner here. I really like how that is.